In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep Slack always active so your teammates can see you as available when you're working, especially during long focus sessions or when Slack might otherwise mark you as away. This is a simple built-in method inside Slack that doesn't require any third-party tools, extensions, or risky automation. If you've ever wondered how to manually control your Slack presence and status, this video is for you. And before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software how-to guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the Slack homepage or any channel within your workspace. This works the same whether you're using Slack in a browser or the desktop app. Once Slack is open, head down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where all your presence and status settings live. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will pop up. From this menu, click on the option that says Update Your Status. This allows you to manually set a custom status that stays visible to your team. Now you'll see the status editor. In the text field, type in the word Active. This makes it very clear to anyone viewing your profile that you're currently available and working. You can customize this text however you like, but using something simple and direct like Active works best. Next, click on the emoji icon next to the status text. Choosing an emoji is optional, but it helps visually reinforce your availability. You can select any emoji you like here. Many people choose a green dot, lightning bolt, or checkmark, but any emoji will work. Once your text and emoji are set, look for the option that says Remove Status After. This step is very important. Click on it to control how long your status remains active. From here, you can select This Week, or you can manually set a specific date and time for when you want the status to end. If you want Slack to keep showing you as active for several days, choosing This Week is the easiest option. Below that, you'll also see an option related to pausing notifications. If you want to keep notifications normal, you can leave this unchanged. If you want to adjust notifications while your status is active, you can click this option and customize it based on your preference. Once everything looks good, click on Save. That's it. Your Slack status is now set to active and will remain that way until the time you selected. Your teammates will be able to see your status clearly, and Slack won't automatically clear it until the expiration you defined. This is one of the easiest and safest ways to keep Slack always active without installing extra tools or scripts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.